In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monzo to Xero. We'll walk through this together on screen, and by the end, you'll have your Monzo account set up in Xero, so you can start reconciling your transactions more easily. Make sure you're logged into your Xero account in a web browser before you start, and have your Monzo details handy if you need to confirm anything while you go. First, from your Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the page for the main navigation menu, and click on the Accounting tab. This is where Xero keeps all of your financial setup options, including your bank accounts. Once the accounting menu is open, choose Bank Accounts. This takes you to the area where all existing bank accounts are listed and where you can add new ones. It's a good idea to quickly scan this list to make sure you're not about to duplicate an existing Monzo account. Next, click on the button that says Add Bank Account. This starts the setup process for connecting a new bank or financial institution to your Xero organization. You'll now see a bank search screen, and near the top there should be a field or drop down for country. By default, this may be set to a different region, so click on country and switch it to US. This helps Xero filter the list of available connections correctly. When the list of countries appears, select United States of America. Even though Monzo is originally a UK-based bank, in this workflow we're choosing the US option because we're going to connect to the Monzo US listing that Xero provides in this region. Now in the bank search box, start typing Monzo. Xero will search its directory of financial institutions based on what you type. Type carefully so it can match the correct bank. From the search results, look for Monzo US and click on it. This tells Xero exactly which type of connection you're trying to set up. Next, you'll be taken to a screen that talks about connecting a bank feed. On this page, click on Continue Without Bank Feed. This means you're setting up the Monzo account in Xero without an automatic live feed for now, which is useful if the direct feed is not available or you prefer to import statements manually. You may see a similar confirmation screen again. If you do, click Continue Without Bank Feed once more to confirm that choice. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. Xero will guide you through the naming the account, choosing the account type, setting the currency, and saving everything. Take a moment to review those details carefully before you confirm. Once you've completed the prompts, your Monzo account will be added to Xero and ready for you to start using in your bookkeeping.